Look at her.
Okay.
Hello.
Logan, Jolie, hi. Hi, kids. Hello.
You get the cutest grandkids.
Hello.
Yeah.
Coming right to the camera. Look at
Yeah.
this. Yeah, taking pictures of you. Yes, Logan. And now little Jolie. Boom, boom.
Boom.
Mm-hmm. Hey, Jolie. Hmm? Hmm? Yeah, like your cousin. Isn't your cousin cute? Don't you both have cute cousins? Huh?
Logan's studying, huh? Yeah, that's a stepladder. That's a little stool for my feet.
Hmm.
Yay.
Mhm. Wasn't this fun? You had your,
Get a kiss, Logan? This is fun.
this is one of your first sleepovers, Jolie, huh?
That's her feeties.
Hmm.
Hi, Bounty. He's got big eyes.
All right.
Let's show
And
some
Arena. Whoops. This is all for the camera.
Go over there, play with Jolie.
Logan on her feet, running around, drinking her bottle.
Studying and looking around. Yeah.
And there's Grandma.
Oh, please.
Mm-hmm.
Careful of Jolie, Logan. Don't step on her.
Be careful, she's a little baby. Not a big 15-month-old like you.
She started walking at 13. I think it's because you're watching the kids in daycare.
No wires, Jolie. No wires. No wires for you,
Sit
buddy.
next to Uncle Marky.
Hmm? What are you looking at over there, Logan?
I'm playing with the dirty clothes, Logan.
Logan. Logan, turn around, Logan. Never turn your back to the audience, you know? Mm. Okay.
Can't wait to see her in her costume.
No.
Oh, Melanie and
They're
Adam
gonna
are
be
going
the
to miss that.
They're going to be the cutest.
Hmm? Hmm?
Logan was a pea pod last year.
Right, I remember that.
Hmm, look.
Oh, the baby Logan.
It's a little baby. Hmm? You say hi to your cousin, Logan? Say hi.
Say hi.
Mark, you know what, honey? Would you just take her the vaporizer and put it over on the side there?
Want to sit by Grandma?
Hello. Would you like to come sit in my
Yeah,
lap?
just move, detour you a little bit.
She's
yeah.
heavy.
You are.
Yeah.